Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Professor M.H. Annaya, and in today's video we are going to learn about the projection of a hexagonal pyramid. The question for today's session reads like this: a hexagonal pyramid, side of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm long. So we have a pyramid here which has got a side of base. So hexagon means 6 sides: A, B, C, D, E, F. So all these sides are equal, and here it has got 6 triangles on its lateral surface, and all these triangles are isosceles triangles. And he says the pyramid measuring this dimension 30 mm, and the height is measured from the vertex O to the center of the base, or the height of the solid. It is 60 mm. It rests on one of the triangular faces on HP. So friends, first of all you have to note down the salient points in the question. First of all, it is a hexagonal pyramid. That should come to your mind. So, and it has got a dimension of 30 mm by height is 60 mm. Rests on one of the triangular faces. So that you should read. Triangular faces on HP. So this pyramid has to rest on one of the triangular surface. So once you read the question, once if you get in the question that the pyramid has to rest on one of the triangular faces, or one of the shorter edge of the base, or triangular surface inclined to HP. For all these three positions, we have to place this pyramid on HP such that one of the triangular face comes to the right side of the observer, or one of the shorter edge of the base comes to the right side, and that will be perpendicular to VP. So friends, I will place the pyramid on HP such that one of the shorter edge of the pyramid is normal to VP, obtain its top and front views. So when you look from the top, friends, you can see a regular hexagon, that is for the base, and the center of that hexagon is joined to all the corners by these slant edges like OA, OB, OC, OD, like that. We are going to get the top view, a hexagonal base with the center joined to all the corners. So let me write down that first. So it has rest on triangular face, means very obviously we have one shorter edge of that should come to your right side. So this is how the top view of the pyramid looks. So this is the base. So I am going to join all these lines to get the center. We call the center as O, and this is O1 center for the bottom face, and this triangle, this side is 30 mm. So all the sides will measure equal value. So we'll name this as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So friends, in the top view, OA, OB, OC, OD, etc. represent the slant edges of the pyramid in the top view. And friends, after getting this, let us obtain the base of the solid in the front view. So I will just write a line from here, a line from here, a line from here. They meet on XY, and we are going to get the base as a line on XY. And you can number it also, like A dash, B dash, on this line C dash, F dash. So I will call it as C dash, F dash. Last one is C dash, F dash. Last one is E dash, D dash, or D dash, E dash. Friend, this is how the base of the pyramid looks in the front view. Now we know the height. So from the center, I just write a vertical line of height is equal to 60 mm. That is the height of the solid. So we will mark 60 mm to represent the height of the solid or length of the axis of the solid. And let us join all these to O dash, the vertex. So O dash is to be joined to A dash, B dash, etc. So O dash to A dash, O dash to B dash, O dash to C dash, O dash to F dash, O dash to D dash. So this is how, friends, the pyramid looks in the front view. When the object, when the solid is resting with one of the shorter edges, that is B, perpendicular to VP. Friends, what comes next? So after this, if you observe the front view of the solid, the last line either on either side, to the left or to the right, you find the line having 3 points. For example, since we are going to tilt the object to the right, let us consider this line. This line has got 3 points, namely O, D and E. So whenever you have on line 3 points, it represents a triangular surface. I'll write down here, it is one of the triangular surface or triangular face of that pyramid. So what is the position? It's at an angle to the horizontal plane, but it should lie on one of the triangular faces. So friends, what I do, if I call this figure as 1, I am going to redraw this figure such that the last line O dash, D dash, E dash representing one of the triangular faces of the solid is on HP or on XY. Friends, I am going to just complete this figure like this. So I'll also tell you how to complete that. So friends, you can see here, this is D dash, E dash, and this point is C dash, F dash, and it's better you write it outside. So D dash, E dash, D dash, E dash, and this is A dash, B dash. How to construct this figure, friends? You know, friends, I will just take this O dash, E dash equal to this last line length. Mark on that. Next, you know, in this triangle, we know all the 3 sides. We have marked this line here on XY. Then I take D dash, E dash as center and radius equal to this width. I am going to strike an arc. Similarly, taking O dash as center and length is equal to same, I am going to draw another arc. They intersect at a common point and we obtain this A dash, B dash. So in this figure, friends, as you are seeing, OAB, ODE is on HP are the triangular face. One of the triangular face is on HP. So this is figure number 2. It is exactly similar to or same as that of figure number 1. Only the thing is the triangular face is on HP. So corresponding to this position, let's see from the top and obtain the top view of the pyramid. Friends, remember, whenever any of the pyramids, any pyramid for that matter, including tetrahedron, a triangular like pyramid, so whenever they rest on HP, either on the triangular surface or on one of the slant edges, in all such cases, the complete base of the solid is visible to the observer in the top view. So friends, in this front view, when you look from the top, this complete line representing the base of the solid is visible, as well as these 2 lines, O dash A dash, O dash B dash, are also visible, and hence we are going to show all such lines and edges by straight line. So let's get points one by one. Let me start with A. So vertical line from A, the horizontal line from here, the point of intersection will give you A. Similarly B, vertical from B, horizontal from here, B. The point where those 2 intersect is the point B. Then friends, you have got C and E. C will fall on this vertical line from C, horizontal line from C. The point of intersection will give you the point C here. Then comes here E on this side, horizontal from E, then vertical from this E dash. They meet at this point. And then you got finally D and E. So draw a line from there. So friends, you get this E, and this point is going to be point what? A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Sorry, A is here. This point is A. A. This is B. This is C. Point D and point E. So A, B, C, D, E represent the 6 corners of the pyramid in the top view. So I told you this complete base is visible. Hence I am going to show all this by visible lines or dark lines. Friends, we have got the complete base of the solid, and the center of that is here. We will call it as O1. Now let us obtain the vertex in the top view. Draw a vertical line from there, a horizontal line from here. The point of intersection of these two will give you the point O, that is the top view of this vertex. So friends, OA and OB are visible. So I am going to join OA by a full line, OB by a full line. Then we have got OC, and this point is E, this is F. So F. So I am going to join O to F, and here O to C. Friends, now I have joined O to A, O to B, O to C, O to F. Now I have to join this OE and OD. Friends, when you are joining O to E, it is intersecting this AB. So in some of the old videos of mine, I have told you whenever two lines intersect, and if one of them is already a visible line, a full line, the other intersecting line should be a dotted line. So based on this concept, when I am joining O to E, it is intersecting AB. We know this is already a full line, so this has to be a dotted line. On the same principle, friends, if you are joining O to D, it is intersecting again this. So friends, we have to join that by a dotted line. Friends, this is how the pyramid looks in the top view when it is resting on one of the triangular face, that is ODE on HP. Friends, if you observe this figure, the pyramid is lying on triangular face on HP. Say this is a triangular face, it is on HP. And you can see here, it is resting, the shorter edge of that is this DE. DE is the shorter edge of the triangular face. And the DE is perpendicular to VP. You can see the shorter edge DE is perpendicular to VP. I have shown here. But as per the problem, it has to be at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. So whatever the figure you have got here, say figure number 3, that has to be redrawn such that this DE, the shorter edge of the triangular face which is on HP, should be at an angle of 30 degrees to VP when the base of the pyramid is nearer to VP. So it was like this, and I am going to write down this such that DE is at an angle to VP and obtain the corresponding top and front views. Friends, here this DE should be on a 30 degree line. So friends, I will write down a figure here. This is at an angle of 30 degree. On this, the edge DE should lie. So friends, I know the length of DE, which is 30 mm. So I will mark somewhere here 30 mm. So one side is D, other side is E. This is D and this is E. Obviously 30 mm because it won't change. Since the D is perpendicular to VP, the length will not change. Friends, after that, you take the measurement from D to AB. You know the measurement. Copy down this measurement and draw this parallel to DE. So parallel to DE, I am going to draw, to mark a line here. So this is going to be A and B. So nearer to D is B, DB, and this is A. So AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. Exactly in the center of this dimension, measure and take F and C. Friends, I will just mark the center. Take the distance of D that's lost to is F and C. C and F. A, B, C is D, E, F. Friends, we have got all the 6 corners when DE is at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. Then friends, I should locate this O, the vertex. From AB, you can measure this distance and transfer. So from here, I will mark this point as O, the vertex, and join this O to all these corners A, B, C, D, E, F, and we should get a figure exactly similar to this. So I will join O to A, O to B, O to C, O to F, and here D to E, the border, C to E, this line. And friends, AB should be dark line, so AB, and this should also be visible. Complete base is visible, so same figure is transferred there. And exactly in the center of that, you get this O1, the center of the base. Friends, we just copied that, and we are left with joining OE and OD. That's by dotted line. This OE, that is OD. We have copied the complete figure number 3 as figure number 4. Only the difference is that the edge ED of the triangular face is at an angle of 30 degrees to VP, and the inclination to VP can be seen only in the top view. Friends, we have redrawn this figure as figure number 4, and the complete base of the solid is nearer to VP or away from the observer. So, such that the base of the pyramid is nearer to VP. We have drawn that. Now we have to obtain the projections. Friends, it is very easy. Let's obtain these points one by one. Let us start with point A and obtain A and B. So, I will just write a horizontal line through this A on which points A and B will lie. So, I will write down here vertical from A, horizontal from A dash. The point where they meet is A dash. B, vertical line from B, horizontal line from B dash, they meet here. So we'll call this point as B dash. And friends, here on XY you have got D and E. Where are D and E? This is D, vertical from D, horizontal from D dash. The point of intersection will give you D dash. Similarly, E is on XY. So horizontal line from E dash, vertical line from E dash, you will get this point here. Easier, yeah. So this point is going to be E, that is E dash. We got A, B, D, E, 4 points. We should get C and F. Friends, this C and F lie exactly between these two. So I write a horizontal line through that C dash, F dash to obtain C dash, F dash there. Friends, horizontal line from C dash and vertical line from C. The point of intersection of these two will give you the point C dash, another corner. Then comes F, horizontal line from F dash, vertical line from here, they meet here. So friends, I will call this point as F dash. So I will call it as F dash here. Okay friends. Then finally, you are left with O, the vertex. Draw a vertical line from O, a horizontal line from here. Probably they meet somewhere here. So I will just mark it as some point here. That is, this point is what? That is D dash, you have got E dash, and that is O dash. O dash. Friend, you have got all these points. Let us join them by straight line. First, let us complete the base. So, join A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, E dash to F dash, F dash to A dash. And friends, here vertex is here. I will join the vertex in the front view to all the corners. So I will join O dash to E dash, O dash to D dash, O dash to A dash. When you are joining O dash to A dash, it is intersecting, so it should be a dotted line. Similarly here, O dash to B dash should also be a dotted line. Then O dash to C dash is also a dotted line. And this is how, friends, the pyramid looks when the pyramid is resting on one of the shorter edge of the base, making 30 degrees with VP. Friends, this figure will give you the top view, and the corresponding view here will give you front view. And let us verify now whether the solution we have got is right or wrong. So friends, how to check that? Now, since it is resting on one of the triangular faces, there should be only 3 points of the solid touching xy. So which are they? O dash, E dash, D dash. So this line, horizontal line on xy, represents a triangular face which is on HP, because that line has got only 3 points. Next, the shorter edge of that face, OED, the triangle, shorter edge is ED, that ED is on HP. Hence friends, this solution is satisfying all the parameters that are required as per the question, and hence this solution is completely correct. Friends, I hope you are happy with the presentation I have made, and if you are happy, please share this information with all your friends and have a wonderful day.